Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FilmMaker Pro. We click here on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about FilmMaker Pro. Here in this page of app on 4 we click on first stop and we click OK. Then here in this page we click on storage. In this window you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell, like and subscribe.